Good morning, good morning. Well, wide awake. I've got my coffee. It's around a little bit after 7 a.m. And I was just thinking about the seed swap. I have the balsam seeds. My plants are, the pods have popped up on the plants. Let's go take a look. Hold on. Okay, so let me try to stretch this up so you can see a little bit better. See, the pods are already on there. I gotta pick them off. I get on the ladder and get up there and get them because they're hanging up in the air. Let me just go right over here so you can see. See, they're all blooming. These were the ones from a couple of months ago when I first had them as little plants. Look how big they got. Look how pretty. These are balsams. And just so you know, these are medicinal. They have the stems, I think, and the leaves have medicinal properties. So if you know how to make tinctures with drinking alcohol, you can make elixirs with these. So this is something you can Google. But mostly I want you guys to see where the seed pods are coming on there. You pick those off and the seeds are inside. So you can see all of that. Look how pretty it is. These are white, so if you get mine, they're the little flowers that come on, it'll be white. And these are balsam. And if you want to trade, in my inbox, Green Gossip Girl. My Gmail account is Green Gossip Girl. We are seed trading through the USPS. And you can do this. You just have to be patient. And I promise you, you will have good results. It's just like normal, like changing your underwear every day. I've been doing it all my life. I'm going to post more videos of my plants and things that I've been growing over the years. I've been growing food since I was a child. It's not something I talk about every day with people because people just don't even think that I'm from the country for whatever reason. But I grew up, very poor and in the woods, in a little small town here in Arkansas. So, like I said, get in my inbox, and now I'm going to share with you a product from my showcase gallery. Please go over there and take a look. Hopefully you can start collecting things that you need for your home to start growing your own food, your beautiful flowers, and your beautiful plants. I have plants that sit in water, plants that sit in dirt, plants that sit in medium, something other than dirt. We have the aeroponics, aquaponics, all the things going on over here. I have to really slowly start working on my indoor gardening and making space for all of that. And I'll be doing that over the next couple of months throughout the winter season because it's already cold here. It's freezing. So thank you, everyone. Get in my inbox, Green Gossip Girl. Let me know what you guys think. Please leave a like, share, comment, and I hope you like the product. Bye.
Transform your space with style and light. Bring nature indoors with the wall-mounted plant stand with grow lights, a stunning 6-tiered, waterproof, artistic display rack perfect for your living room, patio, or balcony. Features you'll love. Multi-pot capacity for all your favorite plants. Built-in grow lights for healthy, vibrant greenery. Space-saving curved design adds a modern touch. Waterproof and durable metal frame for long-lasting use. Whether you're creating an indoor garden oasis or showcasing your favorite flowers, this elegant 36-inch curved plant holder is the perfect blend of function and beauty. Shop now and save 15%. Bring your plant paradise to life today.